Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly spectacular for you. We're taking you on a full access tour inside what many believe to be one of Cristiano Ronaldo's most talked about mega mansions. The kind of home that fits a global sports icon, his family, and a lifestyle most of us can only dream about. Think spa rooms, indoor pools, private gyms, custom architecture, and more. If you ever wondered how the other half lives, this is your front row seat. So sit back, subscribe, and get ready. Let's dive into the world of Cristiano Ronaldo's mega mansion lifestyle. Welcome to the mansion. As soon as you approach the property, you realize this is not your average home. The mansion sits inside a gated, high-security community in the elite neighborhood of La Finca, one of Madrid's most prestigious enclaves, famous for its privacy and celebrity residence. Spanning roughly 8,600 square feet, the residence was crafted by renowned architect Joaquin Torres, chosen for his luxury design work. From the moment you step in...
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly spectacular for you. We're taking you on a full access tour inside what many believe to be one of Cristiano Ronaldo's most talked about mega mansions. The kind of home that fits a global sports icon, his family, and a lifestyle most of us can only dream about. Think spa rooms, indoor pools, private gyms, custom architecture, and more. If you ever wondered how the other half lives, this is your front row seat. So sit back, subscribe, and get ready. Let's dive into the world of Cristiano Ronaldo's mega mansion lifestyle. Welcome to the mansion. As soon as you approach the property, you realize this is not your average home. The mansion sits inside a gated, high-security community in the elite neighborhood of La Finca, one of Madrid's most prestigious enclaves, famous for its privacy and celebrity residence. Spanning roughly 8,600 square feet, the residence was crafted by renowned architect Joaquin Torres, chosen for his luxury design work. From the moment you step in, the sheer scale of the place hits you. 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and room after room of luxury. Luxurious interiors and wellness amenities. But it's not just big, it's built for comfort, performance, and indulgence. On the first floor lies a full-scale wellness and spa suite, an indoor pool, originally lined in black, a jacuzzi, a sauna, and even a cryo chamber for the athlete who takes recovery seriously. Beyond that, a private gym, plenty of space for relaxation and training, and even a home-style football pitch, so the training never really ends, even at home. The interior design blends classic elegance with modern minimalism. The furniture and details reflect taste and personalization, with some pieces reportedly bearing Ronaldo's initials. A home for family and more. This isn't just a showplace, it's a genuine family home. With 7 bedrooms and so many amenities, it's built to accommodate a family lifestyle with comfort and security. In fact, over the years, the estate has also served as more than a private residence. There have been reports of it being available for rent, valued at roughly $11,000 per month at one point. But at its core, this mansion reflects Ronaldo's success, ambition, and attention to detail. A space designed not just for living, but for training, family time, and luxury.
One of the most fascinating aspects about Ronaldo's real estate investments, this mansion in La Finca is just one property among many. Over the years, he has built a global property portfolio spanning several countries. In his home region, he owns a mansion in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, a converted warehouse turned luxurious 4-floor home with multiple pools and ocean views, purportedly intended in part for family use. He has a villa near the Italian city of Turin, a twin villa estate with a private driveway, spa, gym, pool, and car storage, reflecting privacy and comfort after his time playing in Italy. There are also properties and apartments in Lisbon and a huge plot in Quinta da Marinha, Cascais, near the Portuguese coast, rumored to be a retirement home project with extremely high-end amenities. So, this Madrid mega mansion we're touring is just one jewel in a crown of global luxury real estate. What makes this mansion special, more than just size? What sets this home apart isn't just its sheer scale, it's how thoughtfully the spaces are designed. This mansion blends luxury, from high-end finishes, refined design by a top architect, to spa-level amenities. Functionality, a home gym, private football pitch, recovery areas, ideal for an elite athlete. Family orientation, ample bedrooms and bathrooms, communal spaces for family, and a layout suited for long-term living, not just flashy showings. Privacy and security, gated community, discreet setup, and a sense of exclusivity befitting its owner. The dream house, but real. Touring this mansion gives you a glimpse of a lifestyle few ever see. It's not just a home, it's a base, a place to train, rest, raise a family, entertain, and live fully. For an athlete of Cristiano Ronaldo's caliber, with global fame, fortune, and a family to care for, it makes sense that he'd build a home like this, grand, functional, secure, and timeless. Thanks for watching this tour. If you enjoyed stepping inside one of the world's most luxurious athlete mansions, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next exclusive tour. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep dreaming big.